Hey there, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have some breaking news to share with you. Are you ready? Let's dive right in. You might have heard about the recent National Security Bill passed by Parliament in South Sudan. While this news received mixed reactions from the public, there's another interesting story happening in Kenya. Kenya's President William Ruto recently made headlines by rejecting the Financial Bill 2024 during a parliamentary sitting. This move was praised by many citizens, as they believe it demonstrates Ruto's commitment to good governance and accountability. Now, the question is, will President Salva Kiir follow in Ruto's footsteps and decline to sign the National Security Bill? Or will he face criticism for not listening to the concerns of his citizens? We can only speculate at this point. That's all for today, folks. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more updates. Stay informed, and we'll see you in the next video.